Trading in Bitcoin futures is underway. Joining me now is somebody who knows all about what's happening at Cboe, Michael Mallet. He is a director of business development here, and thanks for coming on the show today.
Thank you.
So this is a big moment.
Definitely. It's taken us a while to get here, but we're pleased with the results and just happy to be trading.
Why move into Bitcoins? It seems so risky.
So, we've been looking at the space for a while, and as the space grew and there was more interest in it, we felt that it was the right time to try and launch a product.
Now, at the same time, you do have people who are concerned about liquidity out of the gate. I know there are people who are looking forward to that volatility because cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. But where do you see the liquidity happening down the line here?
So we have a market maker program. We have 3 dedicated liquidity providers. We have several other firms that have expressed an interest in participating in the market, which we've seen today. So we think that as the space grows, we'll have more participants come in just naturally to interact with the order flow that's there.
Now, the importance of liquidity is what? Just so that people can get in and out when they want to and not get stuck in a trade, correct?
Absolutely.
So what about this free offer that Cboe is giving right now?
Right, great point. So no exchange fees on trading Bitcoin through the end of December. Just a little teaser to whet people's interest.
Do you think it will be big institutional players coming in here at the beginning before the retail guy gets in?
Not at the outset. We actually think it'll probably be the opposite, more retail interest from the beginning. And as liquidity starts to build, then you'll start to see more institutional participation.
Really? Why the retail guy first? That's interesting.
Well, I think the size of trading, the amount of liquidity that would need to be there to facilitate trading for the institutional guys, it's just not something that's going to be there day one. I mean, they're looking for tighter markets and bigger size. You need some level of two-way flow in there before market makers are going to be willing to put that kind of size out there. So we think that at the outset, the interest will come from the retail folks.
Now, how long will your contract be on Bitcoin futures?
So we'll start with 3 maturities, Jan, Feb, and March. As Jan goes off, we'll come back with April. We'll just keep rolling them out as long as there's interest.
How much work has gone into managing the risk of just starting up the exchange with this trading opportunity and platform?
So we've had a long dialogue with the CFTC on this. We've talked to a lot of market participants, gotten feedback from people, taken a lot of suggestions on ways to structure the contract so that there are certain safeguards in place around the settlement and then on the clearing side. So we're comfortable with what we've done, and like I said, we've spent a lot of time and talked to a lot of people, and we think that people are going to be pleased.
Well, let it roll. Thanks for coming on the show today.
Thank you.